Mommy.
Hey y'all, still out here. Check out, so far so good. I had to do a little break. It's good, huh? Getting dark, so we're not gonna be out here long.
We don't want to get closed in again.
Shit, last time we got locked in this morning. So right now we just sticking up the ornaments that everybody made. We definitely want them on there. Those have little messages to them. This one is for Lishnae. The sissy ornament. I'm doing it like this, y'all. If y'all just coming in, I'm doing it like this because I forgot the tape at home. So we're gonna stick hers there. That sounds like somebody said Earl. Okay. Be careful you don't smash your hand in the door. Oh, we got to put his stock in that too. Most definitely got to put the stock in that. We're going to put that up over here on the front. We're going to have to put another bow. Oh, maybe not. That looks super cute, guys. Look. Huh. Oh. So I'm not done. Now we can stick bows just everywhere to give it a little. Let me see. Who am I missing? Where's Roberts? I don't have Roberts. Oh, I didn't hang on mine. I left Roberts at home. Because I do not see it nowhere. Let me hang this one up. It's getting super dark out here. Get that blanket, boo. Mine is done. I'm just trying to stick everybody's thing in here.
I'm trying to do a video.
Oh, I'm trying to stick these things on here.
Mine don't have to have a thingy.
Yours is already up here, right?
Yeah, I said mine don't have to have a thing.
Dang, that's messed up. I forgot Roberts.
Yeah. Maybe we can do it like tomorrow.
Okay, so this Christmas tree, everything else is up. Let's put the Christmas tree hole in here. Oh, that was crunchy. Let's put this Christmas tree in the corner over here. Oh, that's...
Just like we have our Christmas tree. Can I decorate it, please?
Yeah.
Yay. So first, we always do this. Baby used to always decorate the tree.
I'll do the red.
How do you do this? Okay.
Wrap it around. We can actually spin the tree.
Oh.
Good job, mommy.
Where's the star? I mean, where's the...
Get that little bow that broke out the trash can. It's a silver bow that broke. We'll use that as a star.
Star on? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You can't even see us. It's so dark. Da 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 da.
Here, you gotta stick it on like
Should we
this. Like
show-
stick it through this hole, the top of the tree.
Okay. Can we show the YouTuber?
You want me to video you putting it on?
Yeah.
Go ahead, go.
Dun, dun, dun,
Wait, can you
dun,
see the tree?
dun, 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 dun,
I told you you gotta stick
dun,
it through one of those.
dun, 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 dun.
Oh, it's perfect.
Dun, 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 dun.
Looking good, looking good. Braid this up, boo. Twist this up.
Okay.
Don't pull hard on it, cause then it's gonna fall.
Okay. Braid it. Braid it. Just
I
twist it.
want to put this back of this tree flat, cause I don't want it to be far from the wall. I don't want it to fly away if the wind get to.
Come in.
Hello, motherfucker. Talk.
Huh? Okay, that's good, mommy. Now put it behind the, like, tuck it off behind the tree. That's a little boy talking shit over there. I keep hearing
Little
him.
boy talking to his mama, but the older dude is like, I'm an adult. I'll kick your fucking ass. Little
That's
kid
what he
talking
said?
shit. Yeah. Little kid like, fuck that.
You a badass. I got this too, y'all. Show them this area.
Got this. Guys, can't even
You
see.
can't see it that good. It says Happy Holidays. We're gonna hang this right here and then we're gonna call it a day, y'all, because it's been dark, super dark, and
And then we won't be
This is-
locked in here again.
yeah, we will. We have got locked in here saying it ain't
He
funny.
don't care nothing.
That's what he said.
I'm like, you're not getting shit for Christmas. He said, I don't care.
Maybe he's doing that because he's going through something.
Might be
Visit.
his dad that got
Yeah. He's lashing out.
Maybe. Never know.
Yeah.
That's
So
tight.
movies are real.
That's tight. They got the lights on their shit.
What?
Over there.
That's the
Where do you
right
put
here.
it?
We're putting this one here.
Right here.
No. Oh, I wish. We don't have nothing to put that up though.
We
So
gotta
we
get
just,
some lights.
gotta hang it right here.
We have lights right here.
Yeah, we need some lights that turn on.
Oh, they don't work.
We're just gonna hang it like that.
Just fake.
So
Oh,
it
we
looks
forgot
super
this.
good. Yeah, but there's no room for that. All right, we can set it on the side of the tree. So we ran out of that's
Put it
Uncle
right
Terrell.
Oh, come on.
That's security. We'll be back to hang up the rest of the stuff. Security's out here, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, Ariel hung it up, so that's cute.
I'm trying to go home. It's
Oh.
Friday.
I'm
Let me
taking
see.
these thingies.
Oh no, do not take that with us. Put that back.
Right.
She almost took the little cup thing.
Take the cup.
Let me see. Get up.
So look, y'all, I'm gonna turn my flashlight on so that you guys can see.
Stranger.
Let me see. Let me get you, Ariel. So move so I can see the wall.
Look at the little Christmas tree right there.
And the Christmas tree eyes.
Stranger. Hey.
Watch out, Mama.
Here. Boom.
Oh yeah, we gotta put that somewhere, but I don't know where to put it.
So we just.
So we
gonna
got
keep
everybody's ornament hanging. He got his Christmas stocking. We got others ornaments that got, our
Hey,
messages
hey.
on there.
it at my Rudolph.
All
I'm a
our
Rudolph.
messages, all our messages. That's from Big Mom, baby. She done stapled some peppermint candies on there for you, sweets for your sweets. Ariel, pick your ornament up. Hang it on the tree or something.
I thought we were supposed to hang it on the tree.
Hurry up. Hang it on this side of the tree. That little lantern you put on the tree is cute. It looks good, huh, babe?
Put on the red.
Yeah, give me the flower thing so I can get them moving.
Where is it?
Whose is this? That's Dad's other one. Put it on the tree with yours by your hand.
Okay.
Right there.
Oh, Daddy, this is nice.
Hang it up there, yeah.
Put it right here.
Perfect.
I want to put my other one on.
No, leave it there, girl.
Why? I like
Because
it.
you need one on the wall. Move.
Stop.
Oh, Ariel has the Rudolph. The Rudolph. She has the Rudolph blinking light, y'all.
Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. I
All
got
right,
my
y'all.
own
Move,
light.
boo. Move.
I don't need you.
Comment down below and let me know what y'all think, how we did. How you think we did with no tape? We did all this with no tape, y'all. He got the snowflakes. He has ornaments with messages. He got the lanterns on each side. The happy holidays. The jingle bells with the hats.
I don't even know.
The Christmas bows.
If we had tape, this would be way better.
Yeah. We need Velcro strips because we don't put tape on my baby stuff. Okay, move, mommy. Let me see. It's bomb. We love you, baby.
Love you, baby. We gotta go home.
We gotta go, babe. They're closing the cemetery.
Yeah, we don't want to get locked in here
I
again.
love you.
That was scary, and I'm sleepy, and I'm cold.
Thank y'all, T-Sippers, for hanging out with me. Sorry I had a little breakdown, but you know how it is. We love y'all. Get in the house. It's cold out here. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. Stay in the house. We love y'all.
Bye, baby.
Say bye, mommy. Love you, Weed.